Hello, Bacha Bhati. Once again, welcome back to this channel. This is Sufyan Sarwat explaining you the science chapter number 4, sorting material into the group. So, before go through the chapter, first of all, the name of the chapter we must know. What is sorting? Sorting means simply that we have to shortly state something. मतलब select करना है उसे, clear? Then what is material actually? Material is a simple thing that the things which we are using, any of the things. If you are thinking about the eatable things or the fan, table, duster, chalk, anything which is surrounding to us are as a material. Clear? But for the scientifically name, there is a name of that is a matter. Clear? So simply that anything that have a mass and occupy space known as matter. Here, this is also known as what? Matter. This is in selecting. We have to just selecting the matter into what group, and group we know very well that if you want to make it group this is the first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard. This is one type of a group. Even that in the large scale, if you are thinking then it's a girls, it's a boys, even that it's a college, pre-primary, then primary, higher secondary, secondary. Clear बच्चा बाटे? तो वो एक क्या हुआ? It's a group. Clear? So in this chapter, what we have to study? We have to study about the matter, or we can say the material. Clear? So each and every material they have a different thing. So we have to make it into the. So we have to just select the things and place it into the particular groups. Clear? So what is actually the materials? Materials is the matter. Clear? Scientifically, the materials, or we can say the things which is made up from the particle, we can say it's the material. Even that these materials are as a matter. So what we can say that anything that has mass and occupy space. Occupy space is a simple, or we can say the anything that has mass and volume. That this is one of the things. Clear? This is the duster that have particular mass. उसका एक वजन है. Clear? And they occupy the space. If I place it anywhere, clear? कहीं पे इसे रख दिया, then वहाँ पे एक जगह consume कर लेगा. Clear? Even that if I think that if we watch in the 3D portion, they have a particular what volume. Clear? So the object which have the mass and occupy the space, or we can say the object having the volume and the mass, is known as what? Matter. Clear? Okay. Next thing is that matter of which an object is made is called material. That I had speed, that the matter of which as object is made. matter जिसे ऑब्जेक्ट बना हुआ है ना मटेरियल से, उसे कहते हैं मटेरियल. बच्चा बाटे इज कॉल्ड मटेरियल having the mass and occupy the space is a matter. Clear? Now, so how we can give through that we have a particular example. If you are writing in the book, just write it here the topic name, that's the material. You can here write that section, means you can write it the bracket so you can understand that the sorting means what is the selecting. Material is a matter and group we know very well. Clear? So first pointer that you can write it over here like a material. Clear? So, if we are taking any of the example, we can take any of the example. Example is that plate, chalk, book, apple. Sir, apple we can eat, yes, but apple having a mass, even that they have a volume. And if we are eating the apple, sir, खाने के बाद थोड़ी रहेगा, तो आपके पेट में तो मास और वॉल्यूम कंजर्व करेगा ना. Clear? Okay, so this is the particular word, it's the material, or we can say the matter. We had taken the brief idea about the material and the matter, that what is that. Yeah. Now we want to make it into the group, means we have to just separating into the group. Why we need to separate the group? What is actually need to separate the group? It is simple, that question arises that why it is needed to separate the group. क्या जरूरत है ग्रुप को सेपरेट करने की? What is the needed? So to find the things easily, that find thing, we can write it with the different colors, so we can understand that what is the question and the what is answer. Clear? So find thing. Sir, easily means what? I can't get the idea. That's the question about that. So, okay. So if you are go to the any of the shop, clear? And over there, if you are saying that uncle, give me the biscuits. Okay. So uncle is gone to the particular the shop, and at one corner they had placed all type of biscuit. Another corner they had placed all type of wafers. Then all type of different materials. Means what, they are making the different group. So we can find it easily. अगर आपको बिस्किट चाहिए और कहीं पे भी कोई भी बिस्किट रख दिया तो ढूंढने में मुश्किल हो जाएगी. Even that if you are going the kitchen, okay, so our mother is placing all the garam masalas at one corner. Okay, हल्दी, नमक, मिर्च पाउडर, फिर दूसरे सारे पाउडर है वो अलग कॉर्नर रखेंगे. Even that the things which make it the tea बनाने के लिए जो जो materials चाहिए, they are placed in another corner, because the color of the tea, color of the sugar and the salt, both are same. It can be mixed out each other. So एक कॉर्नर में खाना पकाने की सारी चीजें, दूसरे कॉर्नर में in the another corner there is a different type of material. Even that in another corner, that another place we can place it the pulses, grain. Clear? So if we place it the group, or if you making the group, so we can find out easily the particular things. Clear? So how we can be easily, that's here. Another is that scientists can study of material easily. We know very well that in the particular any of the things, or we can say the particular any of the substance, if you are thinking about that plate, so plate is made of the glass, metals, means we can say the steels, aluminum, copper. Even that if you are watching in the long terms, then some are making the gold, even that plastic. So if you are thinking about what, just plate, there is a different type of variety. So from the variety I can getting the chapter number first and second. Yes, bacha body. In chapter number first and second we had also studied about what varieties of the things in the eating or any other thing, that all the things are have similar or the different type of a variety. Some are using the particular metal plates, some are using the plastic plates. In the any of the events, the person are using mostly the plastic plates, or यूज एंड थ्रो टेम्पलेट्स, क्लियर। सो हर एक चीज के अंदर अलग अलग प्रॉपर्टी होती है। सो फॉर दैट साइंटिस्ट कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड एंड गेटिंग, अदरवाइज इफ यू आर मेकिंग द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ थिंग, अलग अलग चीज हम स्टडी करने जाएंगे ना तो बहुत टाइम जाएगा, क्लियर। तो स्टडी करने के लिए भी वो क्या हो जाएगा, इजी के आपने ऊपर से स्टडी कर लिया दैट इन क्लास फर्स्ट, if you are thinking that if I shortlist the particular different child and I will ask that which class you are studying, which subject you have, which type of teachers are comes to you, और कौन से टीचर आपको पढ़ाते हैं, सब कुछ आप डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अलग अलग लिखोगे। लेकिन इफ यू आर मेकिंग द ग्रुप और आपने बाहर से आया पूछ लिया, चलो which class is there, class number 1, okay, which subjects comes to here, this subject, okay, now which teachers comes to teach you, this teacher, okay, एक ही झटके में क्लास फर्स्ट का सब कुछ कंप्लीट आपने समझ लिया क्या क्या हो रहा है। इवन दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग द कॉलेज लेवल, ओके, which subject is come here, which department is that, which subject is there, which professors are there, which who is the dean of that, तुरंत समझ लिया। अगर आप एक एक बच्चे को पकड़ के समझने जाओगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी ना, इसलिए ये ग्रुपिंग सिस्टम की हुई है। क्लियर बच्चा पार्टी, राइट इट इन योर बुक और टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट। ओके बच्चा पार्टी, सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मटेरियल्स, क्लियर। सो इन द बिफोर वी हैड डिस्कस्ड दैट व्हाई देयर इज नीड ऑफ ग्रुप, सो फॉर दैट ग्रुपिंग we must understand the property of what material, clear. So there is a lots of property in the material through which we are going to study some of the property, clear. Different particular material, or we can say different object have different type of a property. How? If you are thinking about the particular plastic disc, and if you are thinking about the steel disc, clear, or we can say the plates, clear. If you throw the plastic disc and if you are throwing the metal disc, which type of a material are going to be very noisy? Of course it's the metal. So in this we are going to study many of that particularly properties. Let's look over here. First we are going to study the appearance. Okay, so what is appearance? Appearance is a simple that जो चीज दिखती है ना, दिखावट, clear, that's the appearance, clear. In the appearance there is a two types. One is that shiny, another is a dull, clear. So shiny is a simple that common name, but we are studying the science, so we have to must understand that the particular scientific name. Scientific name is that luster, clear. So what is that shiny and what is that luster, how we can classify that? Okay, so for that we must take one example, that if you are taking the wood and if you are taking the particular any of that, if you are taking the gold, clear. So if you are watching the wood, on that time the wood is not giving the any type of shining. अगर आप उसे सन के ऊपर रख दे, सन की तरफ, तो शाइन नहीं करेगा, clear. If you are placing in any of the place, they are not shine. On the same time, if you are taking the gold are giving you the shiny substance, clear, वो एक चमक देगा, clear, that's a luster. Now if you are taking the any of another metal like copper, aluminum, even that iron also, so iron is also the shining substance. Now the question arises that, so sometime when we observe the iron, they are not giving the shining. What is the reason behind of that? So bacha bati, it's the reason behind of that. Okay, so if metal is not shine, then it lose their luster by lose their luster by connecting with atmosphere. Clear? If any of the metal are particularly connecting with the atmosphere, or we can say if any of the metal are placed in the atmosphere, the air and the moisture are attacked towards that metals, and the particular shiny object are become the dull. Clear? Now, so sir, how we can identify that the object is shining or the wood? Because when they are fresh, or we can say the freshly object are always shining. जब वो फ्रेश होते तब शाइनिंग करते, बट इट इज नॉट दैट always you are seeing the particular fresh object. So how we can identify? Okay, so you have to do the one activity over there. You have to just take it for one sandpaper. Clear? What you have to do? Sandpaper. Now second, you have to just scratch. You have to just scratch that particular portion of that metal. Clear? After scratching, you can observe that the shining luster over that particular metal. Even that if you cut their edges, clear, or if you cut the portion of any of the metal through any of the corner, clear, you can find the particular shining things. If you are cutting that chalk, we are not able to find the shiny thing. If we are cutting any of the wood, we are not able to find the shining thing. But if we are cutting the iron, gold, aluminium, we can find something shining thing. Okay, let's think about that nail. सुई देख लो या खिल्ली देख लो. Okay, अगर उसे घिस दोगे, और that particularly scissors, कैंची होती है, उसको चमका दो, उसकी धार निकाली तो आगे का पोर्शन क्या होगा? शाइनिंग होगा. क्लियर बच्चा बाटे? Now we had studied about that word, particularly appearance, through which we can by watching the things we can say that is the metal or non-metal, or we can say that's the shining or the dull. Okay, so example of a shiny. Clear? So write it. So example of a shining objects are iron, gold, etc. At the same time, example of dull thing is wood. Another is that what we can take it that wood. Even that we can take it the paper, chalk, clear, etc. Clear बच्चा वाली? Now write it this in your book or take a screenshot. So here we had gone to the next property. Yeah, I had rough this portion because of the lack of the space. Afterward I had write this, so you can write it from here. Clear? Now hard and the soft. Clear? So we can classify it. Clear? That what is hard and what is a soft thing. Clear बच्चा वाले? Okay, so hardness and the softness. What is hardness? So it cannot compress easily. Now on the same time, if you are watching that softness, we have a spongy ball, smiley ball. We can compress it very easily. Clear? So it can compress easily. Okay, now another thing is that if we are if we take the hard substance, if you want to bend that substance, clear, So it is not able to bend easily because it is very rigid, or we can say the very intermolecular bond between that particles, or simply we can say that the particles are very attractive towards each other. वो एकदम कड़ा होंगे, वो आराम से bend नहीं हो पाएंगे. Clear? On the same time, if we are watching the particular cotton, they can bend easily. Clear? So it cannot bend easily. So here we can write it can bend easily. Okay, Vachawade. Now, so we can say that the materials which is hard, they are not able to bend properly, or we can say that not able to compress properly. That material is known as a hard material. Clear? Now we are thinking about that, sir. We had comparing that metal, मतलब कि आयरन को आपने एक बॉल के साथ कंपेयर किया. How it can be possible? Okay, we have one iron pipe. Clear? If you want to bend it, it is not so easy as we are thinking. Clear? But at the same time, if we are taking the wings of that fan, पंखे के जो wings होते हैं ना गोल घूमते, उसे आप लो, we can easily bend. Clear बच्चा वाले? So with that we can also classify that which thing is can be a bend and which is not bend. So here is that on the hard substance we can say it cannot be compressed easily, and the soft it can be compressed easily, even that it cannot be bent easily, and it can bend easily, even that if you want to scratch the things on that time also, the smooth thing can scratch easily. Okay, look at the paper. In the paper, if you want to scratch it, तो आराम से scratch हो जाएगा. Even that if the particular any of the wall, any of the thing, if you apply the color pen or any of the pen, if you want to scratch it, आराम से scratch हो जाएगा. Clear? But in the particular any of the metal, it is not easy to scratch. If there is an accident, or if we apply very much force on that time only, it can be a scratch. मोबाइल के अंदर पूरा scratch पड़ जाएगा, लेकिन आयरन रोड में नहीं पड़ेगा. Clear? So this is the one of the property. Next property we will watch in the next lecture. Till then, do whatever you don't want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.